In the journey of life, we often find ourselves burdened by worries and anxieties that hold us back from truly experiencing the beauty and joy around us. But remember, you have the power to break free from these chains and embrace a worry-free life. This journey might not be easy, but with determination, positivity, and a refusal to give up, you can reshape your mindset and regain control over your thoughts and emotions. 1. Acknowledge your worries. The first step towards a worry-free life is acknowledging your worries. Don't shy away from them. Instead, face them head-on. By identifying your concerns, you empower yourself to address them with clarity and purpose. 2. Distinguish between what you can and can't control. Not everything is within your control. Understand that and let go of the things that are beyond your reach. Focus your energy on the things you can influence, and release the rest. This shift in perspective will bring you a sense of liberation. 3. The power of positivity. Positive thinking is not just a catchphrase, it's a powerful tool that can reshape your reality. Cultivate an optimistic outlook on life. Whenever a negative thought arises, counter it with a positive one. Over time, this practice will become a habit, and your mind will naturally gravitate towards positivity. 4. Challenge your inner critic. Your inner critic can be the source of many unnecessary worries. Challenge it by questioning its validity. Are your worries based on facts, or are they exaggerated scenarios? More often than not, you'll realize that your inner critic has been magnifying your fears. 5. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation are like a soothing balm for a restless mind. These practices help you stay present, detach from worrisome thoughts, and find peace in the moment. Dedicate time each day to these practices and witness the transformation in your mental state. 6. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment and the people you associate with play a significant role in your emotional well-being. Surround yourself with supportive, positive individuals who uplift and inspire you. Their energy will reinforce your journey to a worry-free life. 7. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and celebrate your victories, no matter how small they might seem. Each step forward is a triumph, and these moments will remind you of your strength and resilience. 8. Visualize your worry-free life. Create a vivid mental picture of your worry-free life. Imagine yourself thriving, unburdened by unnecessary concerns. Visualization can be a powerful motivator, propelling you towards your desired reality. 9. Affirmations for empowerment. Craft positive affirmations that resonate with you. Repeat them daily to counteract negative self-talk and replace it with self-assurance. Affirmations help rewire your subconscious mind, reinforcing your commitment to a worry-free life. 10. Patience and persistence. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a worry-free mindset. Be patient with yourself and persistent in your efforts. Even on challenging days, remind yourself that every step you take is a step away from worry and towards freedom. Embracing a worry-free life is a journey that requires dedication, self-reflection, and a steadfast commitment to change. Remember, you have the power to reshape your thoughts and rewrite your narrative. Don't let worries define you. Instead, let them be a catalyst for growth and transformation. As you progress on this path, celebrate your successes and learn from your setbacks. You have the potential to create a life filled with positivity, peace, and unbridled joy. Embrace it, you can do it.